Alright, so as the title says, hopefully you're here to help. I have a 2005 Ford Mustang, and I've noticed some problem with the brakes. I don't know, there's like a noise coming from the inside. Um, it's not from the outside, the brake pads have been changed. So, but anyways, when you press in or engage the brake pedal, there's this noise. It's like this really high squeaking noise, which I thought was just an issue that could be fixed with WD-40. I put WD-40 on the spring, also put it on this black and yellow cylinder that's on the inside of the car that's connected to the pedal. You'll see that in the video here in a moment. I think that's where the noise is coming from. I believe inside that cylinder it has a spring. I don't know if you can get to it. It doesn't seem like it. But yeah, I don't know if anyone else has noticed this or had the problem and got it fixed or knows what I should do to get it fixed. But watch the video, let me know what you think.